Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, I'm going to break down Midjourney's pricing plan in 2025 so that you could pick the best one for your needs. With 4 different subscription tiers, it is important to know what you are getting before you actually buy it. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So Midjourney offers basically 4 different plans: basic, standard, pro and mega. And here is how they actually compare it. So if you go with the basic plan, you need to pay $10 per month, but if you go for it annually, you will pay $8 per month. Over here you will get fast GPU time and there is no relax mode in it. It is best for the casual users who generate images occasionally. In the second plan, you are need to pay $30 per month, and for annually it will cost you $24 per month. The GPU time is 15 hours in this plan, and you are going to get unlimited relax mode for the non-urgent generations. In my opinion, this plan is best for the regular users who want a balance of speed and affordability. If we go to the pro plan, you need to pay $60 for it every single month, but if you go annually, it will only cost you $48 per month. And the GPU time is also very good here, 30 hours, and you are going to get the stealth mode that keeps your images private. It is very good plan for the professionals who need privacy and more processing power. Next we have the final plan, that is the mega plan, that will cost you $120 or $96 annually if you pay for the annual price. The GPU time in this plan is 60 hours, and you are going to get the unlimited relax mode plus the maximum job capability. In my opinion, it is best for the heavy users and businesses who need the top tier performance. So if you are a complete beginner, the basic plan is a great start for you. You can then upgrade to standard plan and pro plan. But if you are more serious creator, you can just choose between these two, as I said earlier. But if you are a big company or a business and you have a heavy workload and you want to use Midjourney in your day-to-day work or every single day, I think you should go for the mega plans. Now the bonus tip is here: you can get your Midjourney plan at 20% discount by paying annually instead of monthly. So you can use the link and the coupon in the description. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.